Hey, how's it going, guys? Thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel, checking out my YouTube page. Most of my videos, I'm giving advice. I'm giving a review. I'm giving a tutorial. I'm giving Rick's 2 cents, as I would say. But this is what I want from you. I want your 2 cents. So I reached 536 subscribers, halfway to my goal of 1,000 this far. And you know what? You guys subscribe for a reason. So I want to know, what do you want to see? I always say I give the good, the bad, and ugly, right? The ugly truth. So the same thing for you. I want feedback from you. What do you guys want to see? How do I continue to grow my channel? What's something you don't like I do in my channel? What's something you do like in my channel? Give it to me straight. I own probably every DeWalt tool there is. And if I don't have it, I tell you what, if you say, hey Rick, what about this one? I don't have it. I don't think it'll be very hard to twist my arm to buy it. I'm geeky in the tools. The other thing is I have probably every still product known to man to. I have a lot of still tools, chainsaws, weed whackers, edgers, everything you can think of. So if you want to see something on a still tool, let me know as well. I own an old fruit farm. My house was built in 1865. I do a lot of home repairs, remodeling, construction, electrical, plumbing, you name it, anything that comes along with an old home. But I haven't posted any of those kind of videos kind of because those take time and progress, and I want to post like a 2-minute video. So I think I got enough collaborative videos that you're going to start seeing videos of me doing projects on my home. And it may seem like, oh, I banged out in a week, and it was really like 6-8 months. Yeah, so again, I just really want to see, what you guys think, and I just want to thank you, for subscribing to my channels. I want to thank you for your comments. I made a lot of long friends along the way. What's crazy too is I didn't realize how many people watching for different countries. I had a guy give me a shout out from Ireland the other day, thanking me for one of my DeWalt reviews, my first actual DeWalt tool review. And I got that feedback from a friend of mine who subscribed to my channel, who I didn't even know he was subscribed to my channel. He said, Rick, you're doing like a lot of these technical type reviews, because you're geeking into that stuff, wireless networking, home networking. My entire house is a smart house. That's some stuff I'm going to start doing too. So everything, every light in my whole house is automated. So even though it may be old and it has that retro look, it's techie for sure. And that's kind of, what my channel is about techie geek. I guess like geeky stuff guys are into, right? You like techie stuff, diesel trucks, cars, mechanics. I'm into hot rods, I'm into low riders, I'm into diesel trucks. I'm a hillbilly Texan Mexican, I guess you could say, We're a lot more alike than you think, buddy. We are. We listen to country music too. We like diesel trucks, lifted trucks. I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. My wife's white too, so I can play both sides of that coin, I guess, But anyways, back to the original subject. Let me know what you guys think, man. Something you guys want to see, something I'm doing stupid, like, dude, and I won't. Enough people tell me like, yeah, that's dumb. I just won't. Hey, it's cool. I get it. My bad. Whatever. We'll move on. But yeah. What do you guys want to see? I'm open ears, and I don't have a lot to say, and that's not unusual for me because normally it's hard to shut me off. I'm watching the clock like, I gotta cut this down. So yeah, so thank you all for subscribing to my channels. If I'm gonna post this on every single one of my videos so that you guys see this. If you subscribe to my channel and you haven't clicked on the bell for notifications when I actually upload a new video, please do that as well, so you can see when I upload new videos. Like I said, everybody can have a positive influence in helping me grow my channel. And at the end of the day, you did subscribe to my channel for a reason, so I'll continue to add content to my channel. That's something that you're interested in. So let me know why you subscribe. Say, hey, Rick, I subscribed to your channel because the Cummins, your Dodge 3500 Cummins 6.7, yeah, Cummins, baby, Mopar, oil change. Hey, Rick, I subscribed to your channel because you did a tutorial on the DeWalt tool. Hey, Rick, I subscribed to your channel because I didn't know the difference between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz and how to set up my network, and you helped me. Just let me know, like, hey, what was the initial video what made you subscribe to my channel? And maybe you subscribe to my channel for one thing or another, but I'm going to have multiple topics that you're interested in, like, oh, that's cool, he's in the hot rods. Oh, that's cool, he's in the Harleys. That's one thing. I got a badass Harley, man, all customed out. I'm going to start doing some videos on that as well. Yeah, so let's blow this channel up, man. And like I said, I'm open ears. So Let me know what you think. Rather than Rick's 2 cents, I need your 2 cents. So help me out. Thanks for watching. God bless.